Hello, this is Veronika Petschen from Amberg Engineering. In the next 10 minutes, I would like to give you a short introduction about the Tunnel Digitalization Center and what Amberg Engineering offers there. More precisely, summarize Amberg Engineering digital offering based on the model we made for the Digitalization Center. The keywords are going to be digital twin, object recognition, image recognition, artificial intelligence, cloud solutions, IoT, and georeference data. First of all, let's start with the Tunnel Digitalization Center at the Hagerbach Test Gallery. Digitalization and innovative solutions have become an integral part in today's tunneling industry. However, the added value of digital methods is still hard to grasp. Even though the number of smart solutions is rapidly increasing, most of them still present standalone solutions. Therefore, a partner ecosystem under the lead of the Swiss Center of Applied Underground Technologies was established, including industry partners Amberg Engineering, Amberg Technologies, Alcock Group, HB Siemens, and TRT Turbo. The focus is put on cross-phase and cross-divisional system solutions that cover the entire value chain, respectively, the entire life cycle of a tunnel, starting from the design using BIM, the operating and safety equipment, up to the operating phase and digital maintenance. Metro lines, railway, or other infrastructure networks are the part of today's smart cities, of the smart infrastructure. No matter if you are constructing something new, restoring or operating an existing network, we would like to show you how the latest digital solution can help you to deal with typical challenges and make your teams work more efficient. I'm going to mention some solutions that we offer in order to plan faster the new and model the existing in order to integrate them into the same model or database. Now, let's talk about the solution. We are regularly involved in underground projects by contributing with our know-how in every project phases, from the planning through execution till the operation, inspections, and maintenance. We aim solutions that are useful for the whole life cycle. We create a digital twin that unifies all the discipline-specific models that can be fed with real-time information and can be connected to databanks, cloud solutions. And let's see how we get there. In the case of new constructions, we get to a three-dimensional model by the process of digital planning. But we have also tools that can help us create a model from the existing structures. With parametric design, we create or model by smart copying the repetitive elements. It means reusing elements from our already existing library with specific or semi-automatic modifications. For modeling the existing, we use the laser scanning as basis, and we recently developed an object recognition tool in order to drastically reduce manual work by modeling. How does it work? We take the point cloud from the as-built relief, analyze it, identify the elements from which we had already similar in the libraries, semi-automatically match and adapt them. And finally, place the right elements to the right place. Modeling geology and integration of the model in its context, meaning the digital twin model via georeference element, is a must in tunneling. Underground structures are made with and in the ground, so it's essential to have a good model of it. If the three-dimensional model is ready, we need to feed the model with useful information. There are very user-friendly ways to visualize information. For example, just by clicking on one of the elements and getting what we want. A well-structured attribute system is a must for this purpose. For what else do we use all this? Let me just show you some possibilities. Simulations are very efficient to make before the construction or before the commissioning because you can prevent disturbances and accelerate calculations. The digital twin is the perfect frame for this purpose. You can also use the digital twin in order to simulate logistical problems by planning the construction program. For what else is a digital twin useful? Increasing dependency is not an option anymore. We use open data format, obviously adapted to the client's needs. That's why we would like to use the Digitalization Center as a platform to have conversation about the needs and the possibilities. So in our digital twin, we collect data about geology, metadata, and reconnect it with geographic data. A perfect solution is if different tools can work as independent solution, but they also can be connected. It means the specific users only use the specific tool, but those who need more overview can easily have it. It's very practical to present real-time information, so meaning IoT or sensor information by using GIS platform. So you can see your relevant data on one and only dashboard. If it comes to inspections, we have the opportunity to use our cloud-based system, Amberg Cloud. That's a tool using also artificial intelligence that helps us eliminate manual work by the recognition of damages. It can be also used offline and online. Many people can work on it together at the same time, and it uses open APIs for third-party cloud solutions. You can layer different inspection on each other, so you can compare the development of the damages and you can make the classification of the entire infrastructure. What do we do with all data? We also offer solutions for that. We build algorithms for finding the right information on your old PDFs or Office documents, make understandable structures of them, visualize them in a way that it's useful for you, for example, by making smart maps georeferenced from them. At last but not least, I would like to show you how efficiently you can surf among your digital twins if we implement them in a GIS platform and have the overview. What are the main benefits? We use one platform as interface from the three-dimensional modeling, BIM, geology, all technical models. Central coordination for our project participants is ensured. So we can avoid planning or intervention errors by virtual tours and simulations. So we reduce project durations also. The planning is going to be faster with the parametric models. The visualization of static, historical, and dynamic information is also reserved. Using these digital tools, we can achieve our main purpose, the transparency, the facilitated communications. We can take fast decisions, and the most important, the trouble-free operation of the tunnel. For more information, please visit our website or contact me personally. You can see our contacts on the screen now. So thank you very much for your attention and see you soon.